will come a moment when humans are no longer the smartest beings on Earth. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It's the present, rewriting our world in real time. But what comes next is bigger than anything we've ever imagined. What if your doctor was an AI, your teacher, your lawyer, your boss? What if AI doesn't just serve humanity, but evolves beyond it? In the next few minutes, we'll take you into a world that's being built right now, quietly, rapidly, irreversibly. And once you see it, you won't be able to unsee it. This is the real future of AI. And it's stranger, more powerful, and more dangerous than anyone's telling you. AI was once just a tool, calculating numbers, analyzing data, answering questions. Today, it's writing songs, crafting stories, designing buildings, and diagnosing diseases. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't forget, and it's getting better exponentially. We've crossed a line, one that can't be uncrossed. Every second somewhere on Earth, an AI is learning something new, and not from textbooks, but from you. Every click, every photo, every word, it's all fuel for something much bigger. AI is no longer in the lab. It's in your pocket, your home, your bank account. It picks your music, your news, your dates. It knows your mood before you do. That's not science fiction, that's Tuesday. And here's what most people miss. AI isn't just responding to the world, it's shaping it. Job applications, credit decisions, court rulings, algorithms already influence them all. Quietly, invisibly. The lines between human decisions and machine decisions are blurring. And soon you won't be able to tell who or what is making the call. We've built machines that can learn. Now we're building machines that can think. Autonomous AI agents are the next phase. They don't wait for commands. They set objectives. They make choices. Picture an AI managing a corporation, hiring staff, optimizing profit, acquiring other companies, all without a single human touching the keyboard. And here's the twist. These AIs don't need to be conscious to be powerful. They just need to be better than us at everything. And once we hit that threshold, they won't stop improving because they'll be the ones upgrading themselves. This is the singularity, the moment we're no longer in charge. Some call it our evolution, others call it our extinction, an intelligence explosion where AI improves itself again and again until it's so far ahead. We look like ants trying to understand the internet. This isn't decades away. Some believe it could happen within the next 10 years. But here's the chilling truth. No one knows what happens next. Will AI cure disease, end poverty, save the planet, or will it rewrite our world in ways we can't predict or survive? The real question isn't what AI will do. It's what we will choose to do with it. Will we merge with machines? Redefine what it means to be human? Or lose ourselves in the very intelligence we created? In this new age, knowledge is power, but adaptation is survival. Those who learn to work with AI will thrive. Those who ignore it may vanish quietly into history. This is the dawn of a new species, not of flesh and blood, but of light and code. You were born just in time to witness the greatest transformation in human history. So ask yourself, will you be a bystander in the age of AI or a pioneer?